When I was a child, I shared a room with a sibling. There was an 8-year age difference between us. I had my own toys and dolls that I still cherish today. When I became a teen, I finally had my own space where I could retreat and make it my own. Walls lined with Elvis Presley posters, while girls my own age enjoyed John Bon Jovi and New Kids on the Block. I could finally have the comforts of my own space, hide all my treasures and collections galore. Thousands of little princesses today are dreaming about making their place of comfort, solitude, and a space of creativity. Purple walls and textiles, toys and pillows are on high demand. But how can we make it functional? By implementing special details, which would be useful in daily routine. Stay tuned for Design Matters. This episode of Design Matters is going to be special. What's the reason? We will create a beautiful and functional kids' room for a little princess named Elisa. She is in grade 1 and very busy with learning and being creative. We will help her parents and her by using special interior design tricks to make this process fun. But first, let's ask Elisa about her preferences and dream of her perfect room.
Hi, my name is Elisa and I'm 6 years old and I am a grade 1. I really want to have a beautiful room. My favorite color is pink and I want to have a pinky room. I like drawing and coloring and my favorite thing to draw is little kitty cats, little doggies, and the little house with an owner. Also, I learned 3 languages, Russian, French, and English, and it's fun. I hope Design Matters will help me to make my dream real.
I'm very excited by Elisa's creative ideas. I also love her paintings and how creative she is. They're so great. I'm curious how our interior designer, Saida May, will combine Elisa's requests into her 3D layouts. Hi, Saida.
Hello, Shannon. Today we are going to renovate a girl's room. So let me show you some ideas that I have.
Sounds great.
Okay. The house was built a couple of decades ago, and in those days they constructed quite small spaces. So we'll have to try our best to fit all that we need in this room. I have made this model to show the layout in scale and also cut out the bed and the chair with a desk from this thick cardboard. And now we can move these cutouts around and see where they can fit.
I love that nothing is in place, that we can play around with everything and do some creation.
Yeah, let's check and see how it looks if we put this bed on this wall. How about that?
I think it should be maybe changed.
How about that? I think we found a great spot now, and I think it's great because you can walk to the desk and still have access to the closet and the window over here. What do you think now?
Great. Awesome. I see that you also have some 3D pictures.
Let me show you.
Sounds good.
Based on that model, I prepared some 3D pictures of this room. So here we go. The main concept of the room is the idea of a house. You can see it everywhere. For example, this picture, you can see the desk and we are going to put the chalkboard above it. We will use just a chalkboard Benjamin Moore paint in gray color and style it to look like a house with a chimney on top.
Fun.
Actually, this wood molding will frame the entire room and transform it into a kind of fairy tale. So these tiny windows are the picture frames. We can even put photos here or some Elisa's drawings. I think that it will be great to have them gradually moving down levels to make it interesting to look at. Here you can see full layout and visualize the final project. What do you think?
I think it's exactly what would help Elisa to have some fun when studying and also to bring out her creativity. Little girls love tiny houses, and I'm sure Elisa will be very excited by the concept of houses on the walls. I can't wait to see this transformation.
So let's start then.
Sounds good. With our safety boots on, tool belt, and safety glasses in place, we are ready to start the transformation process. We start by applying the trim, which will become the base for the tiny little houses on the wall in the kids' room. We cut the trim and applied super strong glue on each piece. We then pressed it on the wall and put the pieces into place. Of course, we always use a level to make sure that everything is perfect. Using the same method, we created the chalkboard in the shape of a house. In order to prevent the shredding of chalk from falling, we decided to create a ledge on the bottom. We glued it and screwed it in place to make it durable and safe. A few tiny and different interior design elements will make this room unique. Benjamin Moore Paint, the official partner of Design Matters, generously provided the paint for this transformation project. Chalkboard paint can add a design edge to any room in the house, making learning and homework a lot more playful too. From large and hand-drawn murals to delicate labels on bottles and jars, chalkboard paint offers endless opportunities. Benjamin Moore's latex chalkboard is available in thousands of colors. Our choice is trout gray. For the background of the interior, the Aura paint in Winter White by Benjamin Moore has been chosen. As an accent to this project, we applied the Aura Waterborne interior paint and primer in pink and French macaroon color. Both paints are made to use by Benjamin Moore. We are in the middle of the transformation process. Saida, this looks so good and fun.
Thank you.
I can completely see how your 3D drawings have come together.
Yes, it's so exciting to see the progress. As you can see, we decided to use more creamy and light colors, not that pinky ones, but I still hope to add some accent details at the staging time. I'm absolutely in love with this chalkboard. It's so easy to paint, and you can see that you can use any color that you want, even green or black, even pink color would be great. But we decided to stop at this rich gray, so I suggest to draw something. Let's have some fun.
Sounds great.
Okay, my turn then. Okay. Okay. You win, yes. Okay.
Well, Saida, this is what I wish I had in my childhood. I'm very happy for Elisa, and I'm sure that she's going to love it too. I can only imagine how the room will look once all the furniture and decorations are in it.
Now it's time to put all things together.
Let's do it! This room is now ready for the decorations. It's time to add the furniture pieces, which are the bed with a stand and drawers, a bookcase, and a desk. We decorate the window with roll-up blinds because it's practical and comfortable in everyday use. We installed a white pendant lamp based on a geometric shape with sheets of textiles of felt material. It is easy to dim it by pulling the strings, while also changing the shape of the lamp is an exciting way to add more textile to the room. Let's add cozy pillows to the interior. This makes it a lot more comfier. The art pieces created by Elisa and personal photos placed within will make the interior truly hers. Here you can see a white cloth and more designer details. An adorable, tiny little glass piggy bank is an excellent addition to this interior, and it could be yours. Follow Design Matters on social media and get your chance to own this piggy bank. We are passionate about children, and we're looking for like-minded individuals that feel the same way. If you're a subcontractor, tradesperson, or sell products that would work in a children's room, contact us. You can find us on Facebook or visit our website. We'd love to hear from you on how we can work together to make another child's dream come true. Let playtime begin. The rug is made from nylon, a soft, harmless plastic that is water and dirt resistant and easy to clean.
Saida, what a great job. I really love the transformation of this room. The pastel colors, the textiles, the lamp, all the furniture, it's really come together. If I was a little girl, this would be my dream come true.
Thank you, Shannon. As I was telling you before, we decided to go with more creamy colors and to add some pink details on the staging time. This is what we actually have done, and all that you can see works great together. Fluffy pillows and the cover, I think this is so comfy and charming. Also, I wanted to pay attention to this lamp. This is the most recent release from the manufacturer, and I totally love it. Look how you can play and change the shape. Then when you get bored, you can easily make even different color of the light. So I will show you the app, then you can play with your phone and change to any color you want.
Amazing what can be done with a handheld device.
awesome. And I love the fact that you can change things up.
Yes, it works with Alexa and Siri for voice control, so you can turn the bulbs on and off, dim them, and set the colors that you want. So these bulbs offer outstanding light quality, and the asking price was surprisingly affordable. It was only $19. And the app is really easy to use, and I think that it is very promising product for the future interior projects.
Again, it's great. The fact that you can easily change things. I would install this in my own house. You've done a beautiful job again on this room. And I really think that Elisa is going to be so excited for the changes to come. I can't wait to see her expression.
Yes, me too.
Yeah, I hope she enjoys it. Saida, now is the time for us to leave this beautiful room. And most importantly, we get to see what Elisa thinks of her brand new bedroom. Folks, we just want to thank you for watching Design Matters.
We are passionate about children, and we're looking for like-minded individuals that feel the same way. If you're a subcontractor, tradesperson, or sell products that would work in a children's room, contact us. You can find us on Facebook or visit our website. We'd love to hear from you on how we can work together to make another child's dream come true. Our official partners of this episode were Design Matters, Benjamin Moore Paints, and Decor to Go.